Hey everyone, it's Annette. So today I have a video featuring Melodysusie. This is the Fleurwee gel nail polished gift box. This box is absolutely gorgeous. I love the flowers on the box. And then this is the back of the box. Now Melodysusie's Fleurwee gel nail polish is plant-based. It's HEMA, HPMA, TPO free, and 21 non-toxic and nano grinding technology. So let's go ahead and get into the box. Okay, so here we go. We have the box opened. So this is the Melodysusie Fleurwee card that you get. And then it shows you that you get 4 polishes, you get a set of nail brushes, and then you get the cute little vase with the dried flowers. That is so cute. And then there's a QR code over here for more surprise gifts. So the top section is your polishes and then the cute little vase for your dried flowers. So let's go ahead and get these out. So here are the polishes. We're going to go ahead and go over these in a second. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to get into the second layer of the box. Oh, nice. So it looks like we have some stickers. These are so pretty. Look at how pretty those stickers are. And then here are some other ones. Those are absolutely gorgeous. I absolutely love these. And then we get some nail brushes. And then we have the dried flowers. These are so cute. I love the idea that it comes with like the little polish bottle that's a vase, and then you put these little dried flowers in it. This is such a cute idea. Look at how cute that is. That is so cute. So that will be going up in my nail room. And then we have some nail art brushes. I love their brushes. Their brushes are so nice. And some of them have the dotting tool ends on them. Okay, so the first brush is an angled brush. This is an absolutely beautiful brush. This will be a good cleanup brush. And then the next brush is a pointed brush for like artwork and flowers. That is absolutely beautiful. And then it looks like we have like a gel brush, just a rounded, more of a flat brush. This is absolutely beautiful. Now this one has a dotting tool on the end of it, and this is a small, looks like a small detail liner brush. It's very nice. And then this is a long liner brush. That is so nice. And then this one has a dotting tool on it as well. And then this is like a flat square ended brush. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna start looking at the polishes. This is P14 and this is Gardenia White. This is an absolutely gorgeous white. This is a bright white. It is very pigmented, and I love their rounded brushes. Their brushes are absolutely gorgeous to work with. I love their brushes. And then the second color we're gonna look at is P03. This is called Black Rose. This is a beautiful black. This is really pigmented. I think I already have Black Rose, and this is an absolutely gorgeous black. This is so pretty. The next color we're gonna look at is P29. This is called Red Rose. This is so pretty. This is absolutely gorgeous. This is a beautiful red. Again, very pigmented. We are going to swatch all of these. And then the last one we're going to look at is P11. This is an absolutely gorgeous color. This is called Sunshine Peony Pink. This is absolutely gorgeous. This is a beautiful pink. It's absolutely beautiful. I do have this color, but we will go ahead and swatch it again. This is absolutely gorgeous. So let's go ahead and get into our swatches. The first color we're going to swatch is P29, and this is called Red Rose. This is an absolutely beautiful red. This is the perfect time for this red. You could use this for Christmas. You could use it for New Year's. Perfect for Valentine's Day. This is absolutely gorgeous. That is a beautiful, beautiful red. The next color we're going to swatch is P14. This is Gardenia White. This is an absolutely gorgeous white. It is very, very pigmented. It is a beautiful, beautiful white. I love the consistency of their polishes. I love the brush. That is so pretty. I love that. That is a beautiful white. The next color we're going to swatch is P03. This is Black Rose. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous black. It is nicely pigmented. This is a beautiful, beautiful black. And then the last color we're going to swatch is P11, and this is Sunshine Peony Pink. This is a beautiful, beautiful pink. It is so, so pretty. It is absolutely gorgeous. I love this pink. Look at how pretty that is. That is so pretty. And then we're going to go into with the second coats. And then we're going to go in with a Melodysusie top coat. So this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will be doing another video doing a design using these polishes and these brushes. Thank you so much, Melodysusie, for sending me these products. I really do appreciate it. As usual, I will leave Melodysusie's information in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Thanks so much again, and have a wonderful day.